this all night, no matter what the odds may bring our way. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Hey guys, NBC here, Natural Beautiful Curls, and today I want to talk to you guys about the curl kit that I received for the month of October 2018. But before I talk to you guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button if you want any new videos that I will put out. So let's get to it, you guys. So today I received the curl kit, and I received a little pamphlet in here, and it has some of the products in here that it talks about. So the first product I want to talk about is the Jamaican black castor oil, pure butter. So this was about $6 or $7 that I saw online. It doesn't have any smell to it or anything. It's pretty thick, but once you apply it, it does. It's like butter. I don't know if you see that there. So it's a little oily. Once you apply it, it doesn't smell good at all. So I would say I would use this for my skin, you know, my feet and things like that. It says you can put it in your hair, but I don't really use Jamaican black castor oil for my hair. So yeah, I don't know. It says stimulates hair growth. It's for brittle, damaged hair. It also can be used for the skin and fade scars and different things like that. So that's what I received. So the next thing is the Jamaican black castor oil. It came in a little 2-ounce bottle, and this was about $8 or $9. I looked online. It was about $8 or $9. And I do use castor oil when I mix my oils for my hair to do the LOC method. So yeah, 100% it says natural, no salt added. Can use for skin, hair, and different things like that. So this is what I got. Also, I received the Dark and Lovely Naturale Anti-Shrinkage Clumping Curl Cream Gel. And I actually really do like this product for my hair. I use it for my twist outs, as a styler. And I was actually going to go buy another one of these. So I am very excited that they sent this to me. So it sells for about $9 or $10 at a Target or Walmart. So yep, that's that. Let me just see here. So I'm just going to let you guys see it. So when I first bought this product, I'm like, clumping curl gel, and I'm thinking like, is it like gel? Like, cause I don't really like crunchy hair. I really like soft curls, but I really love it. So this is the consistency of this product. So yep. So I love that product. And the next product that I received is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Facial Wipes. So yeah, I don't really use facial wipes, but I will try these out and see how they work. You know, I'm just old school girl. Soap and water works for me. But I know they have all these new products you can try now. So I'll try these out and see how they work. And last but not least, Coils by Nature. I received the Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, and it has argan oil in it. And this is the 8-ounce. So this was for the 12-ounce on the Target website. It was $16.99. So that's a pretty good deal, guys, because the curl kit is $20 a month plus shipping and handling. So yeah. This is $16.99 at Target for the 12-ounce. They sent me the 8-ounce, if you can see that. They sent me the 8-ounce. And on their website, the 12-ounce is also $12.99. So I'm excited to see how, I love deep conditioners. So I'm excited to see how this will do for my hair. So, yeah, this is... And it says it's not tested on animals. It doesn't have mineral oil, paraffins, parabens, no sulfates. or anything like that. So I'm sure this is going to be a good product. So I'm excited to try this, guys. So that's it for the curl kit. I did receive 5 products. And I'm excited to try them all and see how they work for me. I will continue with the curl kit so far. I'm liking what I see. So yeah, shout out to the curl kit. So I'm excited about all the products that I'm going to try. Well, some of the new products I'm going to try. Like I said, I tried the Dark and Lovely, and I really, really like this product. I recommend it for any style that you do. I love this product. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see any new videos. Alright. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should